Mikbele edwonti, Madakuku, Mikbele edwonti, Yankuri, Muteye Gina Gari, Yen Chow, Muteye Gina Gari, Yen Chow. Twala! Omanbapa. Omanbapa no here. Omanbapa no here.
So, renewal of business names, filing of annual returns, update of business records are all part of good corporate governance. You see, it isn't only central government, that must do things right. We all must do our bit, and together we'll make it work.
Badamwa, if you say I should, then I will. First thing tomorrow morning, I will send my man to the Registrar General's department to pile in the annual returns.
Good. But which means that you have to do this every year. You see, government gets data about businesses in the country, and without data, they can't plan for you guys.
Oh. Nafa im shaker.
Now I'm very happy. Very good. Now I know that your business will grow bigger and bigger.
Alhamdulillah, inshallah, it will come true, mana. You see the reason why I told you must stand for MFI? Inshallah, if you stand, you will win, mana. I will give you all my support. Because your heart is in the right place. It is people like you we need out there fighting for us.
Sir, the surveyors you sent to the site, they said they were chased off by the land guards.
What? Excuse me, Elijah.
The guy will lie up too much. What? Hey, Musa come to China, me to China now. Oh, we answer them 2 seconds. Hey, I'm going to go back. Kenya, it's an old Bemo than I'm in Naki.
You said the land in question belongs to the assembly.
Correct. Now, this was land which was acquired about 30 years ago on a 100-year leasehold to be converted into a park. Here. Now, we had reports of people encroaching over the area. So I sent 2 of my officers and a surveyor from the lands department to ensure that we still had our boundaries. Now, the rest is what they've told you in their own words.
Well, thank you for your report. We are happy no physical harm came to you or your guys. We will make sure we nip this matter in the bud as soon as possible.
Well, I'm detective. You take 2 men, go undercover, do not engage, assess the situation, and give me feedback.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate your dispatch, sir.
Look, just doing my job. We can't afford to have people running wild and wielding machetes and rifles and terrorizing people. No, that's a failure for me.
Refreshing. Very refreshing, sir.
No here. Omanbapa no here. Omanbapa no here. Ampara. Mikbele edwonti. Madakuku, Mikbele edwonti, Yankuri, Muteye Gina Gari, Yen Chow, Muteye.
Take the fish block. No respect. You know say my own that. Now if you chop, Bedeji, otherwise you go chop again. Hey, Amsterdam. Quel a copain?
Charlie. Good say I see you for here.
Why, what's up?
I bet you go your boss in land top. Charlie, we will reach there now. Some bad people come there. Charlie, what we take do them for the Allah? We, I bet you say me if I didn't know you. We pick, like I'll suck them my black self, then take them go 6 feet.
6 feet?
You think say we dey play? Master, Duba. The way I do them, I won't carry them go 6 feet there. I won't cat them and bend them for the land top.
Yeah, for days, you. If you not say you go feed you, Charlie, if you keep quiet, yo. Amsterdam!
I dare for you. Gasipa Wanoni. Abi, you see?
I know that.
You dey here, know ya wabi out. What?
Omanbapa. Omanbapa. Omanbapa no here. Omanbapa no here.
Uncle Tuche. Minga boy.
Hello, Nonche.
You do your thing.
Ah,
Hey, easy. Hey, Nago Tuche. Oh, when your boss no showing me, say na Nago Tuche nyama enya kuma yi.
in your office.
You know your level. No any of you.
I tend to see the cake me one city.
Oh, Nago Tuche maba. Eh? Na kutu ebuko te momi ebu ni ache na achi ehwe ne. I tend to see the jala wachon.
Owula. No ba, no like akutu ebu ye. Mommy me waje o ya lo eje nkeba. Akutu jale wa pa.
Yeah, you sure what kafe na.
Na kan. Inteshi man Kenya nya katamantopo na kota pe na kpa shweshi nkega ni ne.
O charge pounds FF time.
Boba na.
We have no gun. I'm to see the go ni kefe le na.
Beja na kan. No ba ni no nke wie mo.
Kafe na. So wa wo mi.
Owula. Alo ka bo wi onu. Ko kwa no nyo he ya.
O low level. Hey, showing me say le feel you pa.
Aka de paneton ne ho. Ko le.
Oh, you correct. Agutu enwo. Be no ajira wa na kan.
Alright down. Nche. Na ni otu ne be egba he ko.
That be cry. I can't look for somebody. Onu inu sani ko ni sanu. Sani en na e mi she wa ade nje. Sani en won na.
Ni sani ne.
Una spawn ni kan spawn agbo ni kan be.
Na kan spawn ni ojeme.
I hear some big construction go agbe yen.
Construction.
Big one ade nje. So I can't see if man a former low contractor ko ni ball e ba wo mi ma ko by day here ni. Sana cho wo no.
Nche.
Maba.
Me push be ni nta. Mfa na no jopo ke ya na kan spawn ni ka jeme he. Eh. Ole. Amake bunko. Shipo ni ka jeme sane.
Akutu chene mi no fi one. Eh? When I just stand in come on, before back here, this one no be news. Often will is an any point. Just an any crowd mentioned.
Ole. Kejo babu na twe. Shike ba wabu e. Ko na ni aka ma na kan small. Ko small wala.
Asi. Mini ano. Akwado enele be sai say.
Body. Me na akwa fe na e bia ni.
Man, you know small na ba yiko abu. Small na ba yiko abu mausi. Bata si no pa no fi small na ba yiko abu.
Imo shika ka ba imo shika yo. Body. Class.
Hey you, what are you looking at? Steady. Oh, mausi how akwado shi bi no wa.
Mi ponta onya po e bia kanya shi bi ni ya.
Mausi, come on, why am I? Oh, Charlie, no fear.
Emo. Kenya fanya ni mama afenyo.
Mausi Charlie, I won't cut you. I won't cut you.
No. Oh, Kwame tu si da kwado le nchete.
Oh, Charlie, big come on. Oh, I won't cut you. Come on, she be wa mo. Go to she. I won't cut you. Come on, she be wa mini.
Eh, so mini jana kwa mawe.
Oh, mini. I won't cut you. Come on, she be wa.
Eh, Mausi, oh pepe.
Mini pepe. O lebe na anwa kutu bia ne. Beni nye katamanto mi hala nyanya wo etwum. Aya na.
Mausi Charlie, o ate on.
Ah, pe, maka ba bia na don. Born nation of Ajamia next time.
Hey, those be the langers.
My brother, these are just two small boys.
You know the fear? Huh?
Fear?
Baba honey here, see us. He can't take free granite.
Oh, my brother, they dare not touch me. My uncle happens to be the chief of this land. And besides, their leader happens to be my JHS mate. How dare them to even touch me? This little brats, they are nothing matter.
So here why?
Oh, me make beka bi I mean gbogbogbogbo na. Obolo ni o me polepo he wa fe. Ajole da. Kenye ma be fe go to my he wa. Get money.
Omanbapa.
Have you been here in my absence?
No, sir. Is something wrong?
I can't tell. It feels like I didn't leave my desk like this. Have you changed the locks I asked?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Look, maybe I'm becoming paranoid.
It's good you're on guard. Maybe we can get a CCTV.
Well, that's smart thinking. But aren't those installations expensive though?
I can look into it.
Okay, alright. Look, I need an hour to myself to think. So no disturbance.
You got it, sir.
Oh, that is perfect. Listen, you are a genius. You are a genius. That was so perfect.
He is finished, especially with the radio interview on top.
Ah, yes. That's why I invited you here. Okay? That thing has to be well choreographed.
Choreograph? No.
Choreography, I say. I wouldn't experience and I won't go Hollywood. Choreography is so Hollywood. When a boxer wins all the titles, how is he referred to?
Undisputed.
Yes! That is my title!
Hey, undisputed! Oh, giddy.
Follow me.
The man who never lost in town.
You see how my movement is rhyming with what you are saying? Yeah. I don't need a friend to choreograph. Oh. You see, they are moving in tandem.
Original, you do all. Hey, big man, you did that.
We did,
Hey, hey, Charlie, respect. Oh, I got Charlie, kill him.
This one is my small boy. I go win up for you right now.
You sure?
Play him, go see him.
I'm going to go by. Charlie, I'm on face slow. She can shake with un. Right time, my people find un. Can shake with un. Shake with.
What's he on? Message like femme.
All under arrest.
Mr. Ghana Police, slowly step out of the car with your hands in the air.
Do you know who I am? You don't play with fire. I am the Amsterdamian. You don't hear my name before?
Omanbapa no here. Omanbapa no here. Yankuri muteye jina gari yen yichao. Muteye jina gari yen yichao. Dollar.
Insempi! These politicians are always disappointing us. I thought he was one of the better ones.
They are all the same. They come to you with humility, gifts and promises. At the end, they leave you poor.
Aren't we jumping into conclusion? We can't condemn a man based on these pictures. And by an interview by a so-called investor. Why are you defending him? Or has he given you some of the money to chop?
Not all the goody things they do. It become man. He and Kalebule wife. I hear all the contracts. I hear everything. Joe boy.
Well, they're becoming more creative. Now, these posters have been widely circulated on social media. Now, there are people outside my offices calling for my removal. I had to get out of my back door in the office to get here.
Should I call the police?
No. That will only multiply the effect they are looking for, which is publicity. Plus, they are exercising their democratic rights in a peaceful way.
But what they have on the placard is false.
Yeah, but it isn't illegal. I mean, though clearly, it is all part of a concerted effort to destroy me politically. After failed attempts of intimidation. Look, but look, don't worry. We'll get out of this by applying some smart methods. You see, to live a lie may allow us to avoid the truth. But the real lie lies in us believing that we can avoid the truth in the first place. Yeah, caught by Lawrence, bro.
Clearly dealing with a very resourceful, sophisticated, and well-connected syndicate. I see a thread through all the incidents and mishaps over the past week.
Excuse me, what are you looking for?
Mr. Kwame Brimpong, you're under arrest for fraud. Whatever you say will and can be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford one, we shall appoint one for you. Do you understand these rights as I've read them to you?
What's going on here?
Arrested.
Well, Mr. Brimpong, I can assure you that so long as I sit here, I'll ensure that you're protected. And all those who are found to have infringed the law put through the dictates of the rule of law.
Thank you. You're a true patriot.
Just as you are. Now the good news. The land guards who are taking over the assembly's lands have been arrested.
Wow. That was fast.
I've told you, the rule of law will persist.
Omanbapa, Omanbapa, no here. Omanbapa, no here. Omanbapa, no here. Nikele edonti, Nikele edonti, Yankuli, Muteye Gina Gari, Yengi Chow, Muteye Gina Gari, Yengi Chow.
Yes?
Yo, Bossu.
I told you not to call me on this line again.
Bossu, today no be easy. It no be easy for the land top.
we did get to know the police people then come. Then can catch we all go to headquarters.
Okay. Don't say another word. I'm sending somebody right there, okay?
Okay, no yawa.
I don't be across our room. Hello? Yes, Alasan struck again.
I know. I'm working on it.
But I told you to checkmate on him a long time ago.
It's not as easy as you think. He has a lot of supporters in high places.
You have to move quickly before the boys start singing. And that land means a lot to me. I don't want to lose it.
Look, who's asking for speed? If you had taken care of that pesky assemblyman teacher, we wouldn't be here. That Alasan is a highly trained, clever, and very committed professional. I have to tread carefully. Look, give me an hour. Let me see what I can do.
Babe, I've been waiting.
What have you been waiting for?
Babe, I told you now, my rent.
The rent? My rent control. Huh? Okay, you go and come tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Okay. So, babe, what about the phone you promised me now?
Then now we are, Oh, okay, you go and wait for me inside. Let me finish this business first. We are not lose focus.
Unyara.
Oh, Charlie. Sugar, Jimana, what did happen? Why are we still here? Yeah, still Munanga.
In Kenya, relax here. Me can't see here. I'll show them where the power lies. Power? Where power they? Nobody can see us. Nothing. Not even a lawyer. You dare say power? Which of the power self? What's that? Sure. I'm working on it. Oh.
Charlie.
When you do, police boys. Master, come up for them. Hey, why I don't know. I do. Hey. Very steady. What's it?
He that will govern others first should be master of himself. Philip Messenger.
Sorry to intrude, sir. The minister's been trying to reach you.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, okay. I'll be at my desk then.
Afternoon, sir. Alasan here. Okay, sir. I'll keep you posted. Audu, prepare those hoodlums for court. Express your voice, vision, discipline, passion, and conscience. Most powerful is he who has himself in his power.
citizenship and good relationship as well, so that we citizens can benefit from our own natural resources. Kadang, 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 kadang. One of you, my friend, one of you will make this nation great and strong.